For the best price, click the link in the description. Have you ever struggled to capture the perfect shot while traveling? Maybe you're a photographer looking for a compact drone that can keep up with your creative vision. Or perhaps you're just a beginner who wants to learn the ropes of aerial photography. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the DJI Mini 2 SE. It's more than just a drone, it's an experience. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities that will leave even the most seasoned drone enthusiasts speechless. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me ask you, are you ready to take your aerial photography game to new heights? The DJI Mini 2 SE is not just any ordinary drone. With a weight of only 249 g and a foldable design, it's the perfect companion for travelers, hikers, or anyone who wants to capture breathtaking views without being weighed down. But what truly sets this drone apart from its competitors is its exceptional flight performance. With a maximum speed of 19 mph and a range of up to 6.2 miles, you'll be able to explore even the most remote areas with ease. But here's where things get really interesting. According to DJI, the Mini 2 SE features a new video transmission system called O3+, which provides an impressive 1080p resolution at 30 fps. This means that you can enjoy crystal-clear live views of your surroundings in real time. But what about the photo quality? I was blown away by the results when I shot some test photos using the Mini 2 SE's built-in camera. With a sensor size of 1.3 inches and an f2.4 lens, you can expect stunning details and vibrant colors that will make your photos stand out. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into the world of this incredible drone and explore its features in more detail. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 2 SE is its impressive obstacle detection system. With a total of 3D models, you can rest assured that your drone will avoid any potential hazards with ease. But what about portability? I was impressed by how easily the Mini 2 SE fits into my backpack or messenger bag. It's truly a travel-friendly companion. But here's where things get really interesting. According to DJI, the Mini 2 SE has been optimized for low-light conditions, making it perfect for capturing those magical sunset shots or nighttime cityscapes. But what about post-processing? I was thrilled to discover that the Mini 2 SE supports DJI Fly app, which allows you to edit and share your photos directly from the drone. As we wrap up our review of the DJI Mini 2 SE, it's clear that this is no ordinary drone. With its exceptional flight performance, stunning photo quality, and impressive features, it's an absolute must-have for anyone who loves aerial photography. But don't just take my word for it, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the DJI Mini 2 SE? What are your thoughts on this incredible device? For the best price, click the link in the description.